Welcome to this series of short tutorials on how to analyze reproductive data according to the standard operating procedure in the link below. The first thing we want to do is be sure that you can get your data into the spreadsheet in which we're going to do the reproductive analysis. So we're going to start with the assumption that you've already built one of these spreadsheets or have access to one of these spreadsheets. If you don't have it already, please follow the descriptions or the instructions in the standard operating procedure in the link below. So here we have an empty spreadsheet, we have a data worksheet, and we have several other worksheets that are available if you click on the tabs at the bottom, and you can see that currently none of these have any information in them, or some of them are waiting for information to be provided. They're waiting for the data to be input here, and then they will auto-populate. So let's see how we get the information in there, or how we get the data in there. Here's an example data set. I'm going to copy that by clicking on the upper left-hand corner and hitting Control-C, or you can click the copy button. Go back to the blank data sheet, or blank spreadsheet, click on the upper left-hand column, and then paste. Either Control-V or hit Paste up here. And now we've populated that data worksheet with all of our data. We can see if we go to the other worksheets now, for instance, the WLR tab, that the first couple columns have been populated. They refer back to cells in that original data worksheet. And we can see that some of the other information has been automatically populated as well. Now let's say you don't have all of the reproductive information available, but you just want to do one of these functionalities that are available down here in the tabs, for instance, a weight-length relationship. Let's clear the information out of there and show you what you would do if you only have length and weight data. Here's an example data set with just length and weight information. I'm going to copy the length data and go back and paste that into the spreadsheet in the appropriate column, which in this case is length. Then I'm going to go back and get those weight data and copy those and paste them into the appropriate column in the spreadsheet, which in this case is weight. And here you can see that just as in the example when we populate all the data, the first couple of columns in the weight-length relationship worksheet are populated, but the information isn't available for any of those other worksheets, so they are still blank or waiting for more information. Okay, come back next time and we're going to show you how to complete this weight-length relationship.